Here we got a 1942 Chrysler Royal. This is 9P or something. 9P. King of the Road chapter. So these are the Chryslers I remember. World War II car, man. See? You notice the interior too, it's like a lot of nice touches on it, big time. You got your grab handles right there, see? 9-passenger sedan, that's why they call it a Royal 9. Oh, 9P, oh, 9-passenger, I can get it. God. So you don't have to worry about them airbags with something like this much. You got this much steel rolling down the road, you don't need airbags. So 9 passengers. You got 3 rows of seats of 3. Yeah, look at that. Wow. You got grabbers right there. You can grab on hold of it. Look at that wheel too.
Two products that will pay you to remember. Ipana will smile at you.
Yeah. Yelling leader. Democrat.
President
Franklin. FDR. Yeah.
You can even see Al Capone coming out of this place.
Huh?
Al Capone had something like this too.
Yeah, 9-passenger. You run on no running boards. They got rid of them then. So they were starting to get rid of the running boards back then. So. Too bad General Lee wasn't around back in 1942. He could have been president. That's my thinking.